Oke, bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, guys. Today, in this occasion, I will present about my country destination, that is Germany. And in this presentation, I will explain about Germany and lots of point about Germany. Okay. So we go to the first slide. The first is about the Germany. So Germany is located in Central Europe. The population of Germany is about around 84 million people, and the capital city of Germany, that is Berlin, and there is Federal Parliamentary Republic, and Germany is the founding member of the European Union, and Germany is the largest economy in Europe. Then Germany spans 357 kilometers and share borders with 9 countries. As a founding of EU member since 1657, it plays a central role in European politics and economy. And next, so the education system in Germany. Germany have a world-class structure for learning. For this first is primary and secondary education. This ground school is at age 6 until 10. The secondary tracks is Hauptschule, real school, and gymnasium. And Abitur qualification for university and free public education nationwide. And for higher education, Germany have more 400 university and college. They have research universities, applied science, tuition free for most programs, and global top ranked institution. And next, the Ausbildung and dual education. So Germany have a unique apprenticeship system. So what is Ausbildung? Ausbildung is a formal vocational training program combining theoretical education at trade schools with practical work experience at company, typically lasting at 2 or 3 years. And the system benefit is students earn while learning, gain real world skills, and have high employment rates. Over 15% of Germany youth choose this pathway to successful career. And global recognitions, the German dual education model is internationally acclaimed and adopted by many countries. It produces high-skilled workers across 300 recognized professions. And next, the transportation system. So Germany have a world-class infrastructure for advanced mobility. The first is Deutsche Bahn Rail. Germany, that is Germany National Railway, connects to 5,000 plus stations across the country. Is that the IC high-speed trains reach 300 km, linking major cities efficiently. Over 2 billion passengers travel annually. And the next is public transit. That they have integrated network of U-Bahn, S-Bahn, and trams, and buses serve urban area. Punctual, reschedule, and unified ticketing systems make commuting seamless. Cities like Berlin and Munich lead in transit innovations. And last is cycling culture. Over 75 kilometers of decided cycling paths nationwide. Cities invest heavily in bike sharing programs and infrastructure. Cycling accounts for 15% of urban trips, promoting sustainability and health. Okay, the next, the Autobahn infrastructure. So this is the infrastructure from road from Germany, like in other country. So this Germany has world famous highway network with engineering excellence. They have over 13,000 kilometers, featuring sections with no speed limits, known for exceptional engineering, safety standard, and efficient traffic flow, a symbol of German precision and automotive culture. Next. Okay, the next is sports culture in Germany. Germany is a nation united by athletic passions. Yeah, for the popular is football. Football is the national obsession with over 80,000 registered club. For the league, they have Bundesliga draw millions of passionate fans weekly, and the Olympic powerhouse with consistent medal success and strong youth development program nationwide. And for the other sport, they have a handball ranked as the second most popular team sport. That is basketball, growing rapidly with NBA German stars, and winter sports excellence in skiing and bobsled, and world-class sport infrastructure and facility. I'm sorry. And yes, we explained the success of the German in football. So they have a legacy of excellence on the world stage because they have 4-time World Cup titles. You can see like this in around 19, and the last is in 2014. The most miracle is in Brazil, and the last they win that is in Brazil in 2014. And they have the Bundesliga power and one of the Europe top leagues with Bayern Munich, like Bayern Munich, Borussia Dortmund, leading globally, and known for passionate fans and world-class stadiums. And they have a bunch of legendary players, icons like Beckenbauer, Müller, Klose, and Neuer. German players have won multiple Ballon d'Or awards and set World Cup records. And may I show the passions from the Germany fans about football. I can show it first. Okay, maybe this is. This is the passion of German fans about football. You can see how happy the fans about for one goal and more. You can see the passionate from.
They were singing when they were down, and now they're going crazy when they're up. So far, the atmosphere 8.5 out of 10. But the players weren't done yet, and scored
The another goal from their team. Okay, for more video, I can see like this video. This is the moment the fans celebrate their team. Okay, celebrate the team because of winning the league for the first time ever. The team that is Bayer Leverkusen. We can see how happy these fans and the club because they first ever Bundesliga trophy. Yes, you can see it. Okay, enough. Now we go to the next slide. The science and innovations. So Germans have a legacy of science excellence. The first is Nobel laureates. Over 100 Nobel Prize winners in science like Albert Einstein, Max Planck, and Werner Heisenberg shaped modern physics, continued excellence in chemistry, medicine, and literature. And this point is research institutions. Max Planck Society operates 86 institutes for fundamental research. From the society leads applied research with 76 institutes. Helmholtz associations focus on grand scientific challenge and the innovation of impact over 100 billion annual R&D investment, world leader in patients per capita, strong collaboration between academia and industry, drive breakthrough in AI, biotech, and engineering. Okay. The next is the industrial strength. So Germany have a strength in industrial because they manufacturing excellence and engineering leadership. The first is automotive giants. They have like home to BMW, Mercedes-Benz, Volkswagen, Audi, and Porsche. World's fourth largest auto producer, made in Germany, symbolize quality and precision engineering worldwide. The next is engineering excellence. Germany leaders in mechanical engineering, chemical production, and industrial machinery. Siemens, BASF, and Bosch drive global innovations. Strong focus on precision manufacturing. And then manufacturing power. Europe's largest economy and manufacturing hub. Export-driven model with 1.5 trillion euros annual exports. Industry for pioneer integrating smart factory technology. Next, the technology and startups. So Germany have digital innovations landscape. In Berlin, the startup scenes like Europe startups capital with over 3,000 tech company, home to unicorns like N26, Deliver Zero, and Zalando, and vibrant ecosystem attracting global talent, and strong venture capital investment hub. And in industry 4.0 and innovation hubs, they have a pioneer of smart manufacturing revolutions in Munich, Hamburg, and Frankfurt, each tech cluster, and AI research centers and digital labs, and government-backed digital transformations. This for the technology and startups in Germany. And next, the environment and sustainability. So Germany's green leadership, because they have a Energiewende, that is historic transitions to renewable energy, and 46% of electricity from renewable source, and world leader in solar and wind power adoptions, strict recycling culture and color code system, a fan deposit system, reduce plastic waste, and the goal is climate neutrality by 2045. Okay. 12 minutes. Okay. Music and arts heritage. So Germany, this from House of Music because they have a Beethoven and world-class museums. Germany cultural legacy includes legendary composers like Bach, Beethoven, and Wagner. Over 6,000 museums showcase art from classical to contemporary. In Berlin's vibrant art scenes and institutions like Documenta continue these traditions. And next is lifestyle and festival. So the most festival in Germany they have is Oktoberfest. That is the world's largest folk fest. This is a beer festival and traveling fun fair held annually in Munich, Germany since 1810, running for 16 until 18 days from mid-September to the first Sunday in October. It attracts over 6 million visitors yearly to enjoy traditional Bavarian beer, food, music, and carnival rides. And the next is Christmas markets. Christmas markets over 2,500 well hands market across Germany. Hands-crafted gift, Glühwein, and festive tradition dating back to the 14th century create magical winter experience. And they have a work-life balance, strong labor laws ensure 30 days paid vacations, German value leisure time, outdoor activity, and culinary traditions, including bread culture with 3,000 varieties. And maybe I can show the video about the Oktoberfest. So Oktoberfest is especially that is beer festival. So this like Pasar Minggu or whatever. So this is the festival from Germany. See like that. Okay, that's about the Oktoberfest. And the next is Danke. Okay guys, thank you for listening. to my presentations. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.